In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the favicon on your Shopify store. A favicon, if you're not familiar, is that little icon you see in the browser tab next to your page title, and it's an often overlooked yet powerful branding opportunity. It helps you maintain a professional and cohesive appearance across your browser. So, let's dive into the simple process of making that change. First, you'll want to open a web browser and navigate to the Shopify website. This is where you're going to start your journey. Next, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin panel. You'll need your login credentials handy for this step. Once you're logged in, you're greeted with your Shopify dashboard, a hub for all your store's activities. Now the next step is to find and click on Themes. You can typically find this option on the left-hand side of your dashboard under the Online Store section. The Themes page displays your current theme along with any other themes you might have installed. With Themes open, your next move is to hit the Customize button. This will lead you into the Theme Editor, a powerful tool for personalizing your store's aesthetic and functionality. Once you're in the Theme Editor, you're going to look for the Theme Settings icon, which usually resembles a paintbrush. Clicking on this icon will take you to a range of customization options. Here's a tip. Depending on the theme you're using, what we're looking for next might be labeled differently. You could see something specifically marked as Favicon, or it could be under Logo. So, check the available options under the theme settings. Once you find the right option, click on it, and you should see the option to Select Image. This is where you'll update your favicon. Now, you can either choose an existing image from your Shopify image library or upload a new one from your computer. Make sure the image you choose is clear and represents your brand well, as this is a prime visual real estate for your business. After selecting or uploading your image, the last crucial step is saving your changes. So, go ahead and click the Save button. This action applies the new favicon to your store, and it should immediately take effect. And just like that, you've refreshed your aesthetic with a new favicon. It's a small detail, but as they say, the devil is in the details, and these little elements can enhance your brand's professionalism and recognition immensely. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope your store looks fantastic with its updated favicon.